Naghahanap ka ba ng high quality at ultra lightweight na gaming mouse? Well, ang Razer Viper V2 Pro ang bagay sa'yo. Meron itong 58 grams ultra lightweight design, making it one of the lightest esports mice na mostly din ginagamit ng mga esports players. It also has a Focus Pro 30K optical sensor, kaya meron itong precise at flawless performance sa kahit anong surface. Ang Viper V2 Pro ay may HyperSpeed Wireless, kaya madali at mabilis siyang i-connect compared sa ibang wireless tech available. Smooth kahit wired o di kaya wireless mo siya gagamitin. Perfect for intense gaming, meron itong Gen 3 optical mouse switches na nagpro-provide ng speed at reliability built for esports. This mouse can run up to 80 continuous hours dahil meron itong 80-hour battery life, kaya kayang-kaya talaga i-withstand ang long gaming hours. Lastly, meron din itong on-mouse DPI controls, making it capable of toggling between 5 DPI stages nang di ginagamit ang software. Sobrang high quality ng features itong Viper V2 Pro.